Hello, it's Nathan here, the founder of BackCountry Navigator. I've got some important updates for you today, including our revised release schedule, current progress, challenges, and achievements. But first, I want to say thank you so much for your support, encouragement, and feedback on our journey so far. We couldn't have gotten this far without you. I know we've had slower progress than I predicted due to a lot of unexpected challenges with development, and I thank you for your patience. But I'm continuing to work my hardest to get the app finished and into your hands to use in the outdoors. Here are some updates on how it's going. We set out to create a way for users to plan trips in the cloud through the new website. With the website, you can preview any map that you will see in the mobile version. You can also draw or import data for trip planning. These trips can be used on demand in the mobile app. We've also set out to create a vector map of the world with multi-resolution capability. This means you'll get incredible levels of detail when planning your routes. You'll have the ability to download this map for large portions of the Earth. The downloaded portions have an amazing capacity for detail. We've set out to make the new BackCountry Navigator XE experience as easy to use as possible. Pinning maps and trips to the quick access menu has been well received. Based on your feedback, we've made the map controls more transparent. We've given you up to 5 pinned map sources in the quick access menu, as well as up to 3 trips. We have quick links so you can quickly find more maps and trips, and quickly switch to offline mode. Also, quick links to center on one of the pinned trips. The grid-based approach to map downloads helps you organize your downloaded maps for offline use. As part of development, we've been working with the world's leading mapping technology company. Their tools are both powerful and complex, and sometimes they don't work up to spec. A few people have joked that the company should be paying me a consulting fee for finding bugs in their software. On the plus side, some of their engineers have been working with us. They've been teaching us how to redo some of our mapping to work more efficiently with their system, even with its limitations. They are now coming out with some offerings that could have saved us months if they came out a year ago, but in the long run, this will enable us to bring out maps and content more efficiently. Beta testing of the website and BackCountry Navigator XE for Android is well underway. Thank you to everyone who's helped out so far. BackCountry Navigator Pro for Android continues on a parallel development track, so Android users can make the most of Pro while we transition to XE. Not every feature from Pro will be available immediately in XE, but features will continue to be rolled out during 2019. XE will have lots of new features to play with during this time. If you're an Apple user, you can look forward to testing the iOS app in the next month or so. Given the current speed of development, this is the schedule we expect to follow for the remainder of 2018. The beta of the website began in April 2018 and continues to this day. The beta of the Android app in Google Play will continue from July through October 2018. The beta of the iOS app will take place in test flight from approximately September to November 2018. In November 2018, we plan for a public release of the Android app and the website, along with a public release of the iOS app in December 2018. Although I am now confident we can meet this schedule, the final date for public release is still subject to change due to unforeseen circumstances. It will ultimately depend on App Store approval and our ability to find and fix issues found during the beta testing. Backers will have access to the app throughout the beta period and after release. And of course, release of a public version is never final as updates, improvements, and fixes are ongoing. Thank you for listening, and thanks again for your continued support and encouragement. If you have any questions or comments, please do post them. I can't wait to get BackCountry Navigator XC finished and onto your phone so you can go and have some more fun in the outdoors.